People always ask me, are the Ford F-150 performance packages really worth it, or are they just some shiny upgrades to make you feel cool? Okay, you do feel cool, but we're talking serious horsepower here, not just a badge on the tailgate. The most common pain point I hear: I want my truck to haul more, tow more, and not burn an oil field in the process. You stare at the base V6 and think, this is fine, until you see someone fly past in a tricked-out FX4. What's in a Ford F-150 performance package anyway? Well, if it sounds like a pizza combo deal, it sort of is. For around $2,000 to $6,000 depending on trim, you usually get a retuned engine, sport exhaust, better shocks, and sometimes a limited slip differential. The whole point: factory horsepower jumps up 10% or more. That can mean the difference between merging like a boss or merging like an extra in a traffic jam documentary. On some models, the package cuts 0-60 mph time by as much as 0.7 seconds. Step 1, if you're serious, check the Ford Build and Price tool. Most buyers totally skip this and get stuck with whatever is on the lot. Pro tip: custom order and you can pick the exact package even if you have to wait a couple months. A big win is the Sport Tune suspension. It actually matters. I've driven trucks that float like a waterbed and trucks with the performance package. The latter corners with 30% less body roll, which really saves your coffee and your elbows. Here's where people screw up, thinking the cold air intake and catback exhaust are just for noise. But these can bump torque by 20 pound-feet and get you up to 5% better fuel economy if you keep your foot out of it. Not bad for a growling beast. Installation anxiety is real. Most of the good packages are dealer installed, which means you don't have to crawl under your truck on a rainy Sunday in Portland. The price includes labor and, importantly, keeps your factory warranty intact. Another number people miss: the resale value. Ford F-150s with performance packages can fetch $2,000 to $4,000 more when you trade in, especially if it's an appearance and performance combo like the Tremor or Raptor Lite editions. People love the stance. I get asked, does it ruin ride comfort on long trips? Not really. Most packages keep the ride firm but not punishing. On the highway, the adaptive dampers actually smooth out expansion joints better than the base model. You'll notice it inside a few minutes. Towing is a big bragging category. With the performance package, you can see max tow ratings bump up by 400 to 600 pounds. If you're hauling a ski boat or a couple of dirt bikes, suddenly that's not just bragging rights. It means one less trip, which matters. Final step: keep your receipts and paperwork. If you get the factory or Ford Performance parts, you're covered. If it's all aftermarket, expect some headaches. Buyers and dealerships pay more for documented upgrades, and it's the single easiest way to boost value instantly.